Just imagine you are in the middle of the ocean, and right in the front of you, giant waves like mountains raise up, big enough to swallow an entire ship. In Ocean Journey, it's not just the ships, but even the sailors who constantly fear these waves. Every year, nearly 40 ships are claimed by such storms, causing damage worth millions of dollars. But how does a $10 billion US Navy ship that carries 60 to 90 fighter jets and over 5,000 soldiers stand strong in the face of ruthless ocean storm? And how does it survive months-long missions? We are talking about 300 feet high waves. If the ship even tilts slightly, expensive equipment could get damaged, putting the crew's lives at risk, not to mention a multi-million-dollar loss. That's why stability in such ships is critical, because any incoming waves could flip the ship. So how exactly does the world's most powerful navy, even with latest tech, survive nature's wildest mood? Let's find out. On 1st October 2015, a ship named SSL Faro simply vanished at sea. Despite massive rescue operations, neither the ship nor any crew members were found. After this disaster, the Navy took safety protocol to next level, bringing in stricter engineering, advanced system, and tough protocols. But is that enough? Can a ship really survive if it's caught in the fury of a raging ocean? Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to balance a pencil on your fingertip? It's tough, right? Now imagine doing it on a roller coaster. Sounds impossible. Now imagine how a ship maintains balance in a stormy ocean. It all comes down to physics and naval engineering. According to science, if an object is less dense than water, it won't sink. That's one reason Navy ships float. Also, the center of gravity plays a key role. The lower the center of gravity, the more stable ship. That's why heavy weapons, machinery, and fuels are kept at the bottom of the ship. Even the placement of smallest item is calculated so that the ship stay balanced. The ship's hull plays a vital role. Visually, U-shaped adds stability. But against huge waves, even that's not enough. That's why US Navy aircraft carriers have a V-shaped hull to slice through waves like a blade. They use something called a blast system, which maintains the ship's level by adjusting weight balance. Then there's the fin stabilizer. Think of like jet wings of the ocean. These fins keep the ship stable, allow weapons to remain accurate, and prevent unnecessary rolling. Without these, a ship couldn't launch missile in rough seas. Another brilliant tech is the gyroscopic stabilizer. Imagine a spinning bicycle wheel. As long as it spins, the cycle stays upright. Similarly, a gyroscope spinning at 700 rpm creates angular momentum and torque, which helps push or pull the ship to maintain balance. A computer constantly adjusts the gyroscope to apply the right amount of torque in real time. Then there are self-riding boats designed to flip themselves back upright if overturned. They use angled hulls, bottom blast tanks, and weighted keels. When flipped, sensor activate fun, fill water tanks, and rebalance the boat. But what really keeps US Navy ships afloat is maintenance. A Navy ship can run smoothly for 100 years only because of constant care. US Navy employs highly trained sailors and top engineers who work round the clock on cleaning, repairing, upgrading, and inspecting. Maintenance is done in two ways: preventing maintenance, fixing issues before they happen, like fluid check, vibration reading, functional testing, and visual inspecting. Second is corrective maintenance, but after a problem occurs, fixing malfunction or damaged parts. Ships are also dry docked. They're not of the water for detailed inspection, especially for the parts like propeller and rudder. But the biggest threat is weather. To counter that, US Navy relies on advanced forecasting system. Satellite collect data like water temperature, storms, and current patterns to map safer routes. They also use over 1,000 plus weather buoys across the ocean to monitor waves, air pressure, and wind speed. With this, Navy ships avoid storms long before they hit. But none of these would matter without the crew, and their training is brutal, designed to prepare for any disaster. They regularly perform emergency drills, damage control drill, abandon ship exercise, man overboard, crisis simulation, Survival training. The Navy now uses lightweight materials to reduce rust and improve fuel efficiency. Sailors training using VR simulation to experience and control a ship in stormy water without even stepping into the sea. But the most mind-blowing advancement, adaptive hull surface, ship structure that change shape based on the ocean condition, add to AI-powered system that analyze sensor data in real time to make split-second decision. Soon, self-learning ship will dominate in the ocean, making it nearly impossible for damage to even occur. If you enjoy the video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel.